The song is a patriotic symbol in India, known as the national song, inspiring freedom fighters during the independence movement against British colonialism. Artists have performed it in different styles, and it remains significant during national events like Independence Day and Republic Day. Are you ready to impress your friends and family with your piano skills? First, let's break down the melody into two parts with simple notes. Practice each section slowly, then gradually increase your speed to the right tempo. Before you know it, you will play the melody with confidence and pride. Practice the C major scale before trying to play the melody. You become comfortable with the notes used in the melody. Practicing the C major scale will help you recognize and play these notes confidently. Sa re ma pa ni sa sa re sa ni da pa da pa ma ga re pa ma ga re sa re ma pa ni da pa ma pa ni sa ma pa ni sa ni sa sa ri sa ni da pa re ma ga re ni da pa da ma pa ni sa ma pa ni sa We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. You can try the melody on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Thank you.